In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix screen tearing with an NVIDIA graphics card. If this tutorial helps, consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're encountering screen tearing on your NVIDIA GPU, don't worry, there are several ways to address this. Let's get started. First, open up the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Once it opens, navigate to the left side and select Manage 3D Settings. Then switch to Global Settings to make your adjustments. Begin by scrolling down to max frame rate. You'll want to set this value to match your monitor's refresh rate. To find this, you can search your monitor's model online. For example, my monitor runs at 144 Hz, so I'll enter that. If you have a G-Sync display, feel free to enable that option as well. Next, scroll down to the Power Management section. Change the setting from Normal to Prefer Maximum Performance for optimal results. Now, let's adjust the Vertical Sync setting. It's currently set to use the 3D application setting. I recommend either selecting Fast or On based on what works for your setup. I'll try the Fast option first, and if that doesn't fix it, you can set it to On. Once you've made the changes, click Apply.